Good morning, nieces and nephews. It's your Uncle Charles here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased price action analysis. Uncle was not in yesterday. I was in the emergency room on the IV, but Uncle's getting better, and I'm just very excited. I'm able to continue to do what I do. Let me tell y'all something. When we live in life, we all got 1,000 problems plus another 100. Okay, all of us got a lot of problems, a lot of things that we got to deal with. But the moment we get sick, that 1,000 problems that we have turns into one problem. And that one problem is your health. Whether you're dealing with sickness like the flu, cancer, some crazy other disease, all the problems that you had, the moment you get sick, becomes one problem. Okay, guys? And Uncle is just grateful. I get to continue to do what I love. I get to be here for y'all. I know not everybody values my time or appreciate or understand what I do or I'm trying to do, but there's still a good amount of people that do. And for the people that don't, hopefully I could, win you guys over and so that you guys can become sheep style traders. That's unbiased traders. And that's what my YouTube channel is about. Trying to create more sheep style traders in the world so we can make the market maker's job a lot harder. Okay? Because those motherfuckers got it very easy when it comes to playing retail traders. Okay? I want y'all to, if you didn't already, I want y'all to look up about the composite man. The composite man. Go learn about the composite man. And once you do, you'll have a better understanding about how this market works. We are trading in a manipulated market. And you can't just sit around complaining, oh, this market is fake, this market is this and that. No, you have to use it to your advantage and learn to trade with the trend, but also learn to trade with the traps, because that's all these market makers love to do. They love to set traps. So it's on us to trade with them. The last trap setup that we had, we look on the 15-minute chart, which is around that 606 level. All week, the market makers been making the morning trading a bit difficult. They'll fake to the downside only to pop to the upside. They'll fake to the upside only to pop to the downside. But those who know how to trade with the traps, those who understand the false breakout and the false breakdown setup, you may be doing a little bit better than the average retail traders. I hope you are, at least. And yesterday when I wasn't here, we had a nice little trap around that 606 level, false breakdown setup that led to a beautiful pop to the upside. Now, if you guys watch my previous video, you know that Uncle Charles has been saying bullish all week, and I gave you guys my reasonings. Okay, we started off with a couple of gaps, a gap down and a gap up, which gave us that bullish island reversal that led to the recapture of this white multi-month trend line. And then we had the breakaway gap where SPY could not break out that green downtrend line traditionally, so they needed to gap up, and that led to more upside. And SPY ran into my downtrend white line right here where it paused, and once again it could not give us a traditional breakout, instead gave us another bullish breakaway gap. So bullish island reversal, breakaway gap on the 17th, another breakaway gap on the 22nd, and yesterday sent us to new all-time high. We got the breakout. Okay, previous all-time high around 609. We got an official close above that level yesterday. But one close is not enough. We're at new all-time highs. We closed at new all-time high, but one close above is not enough. That 609 level was a tough resistant level back in early December, and it was a previous all-time high. And if we are to get to new all-time high, then 609 must prove itself as support. Either we get tested there and we get a bounce, buying pressure step up, or maybe we get a false breakdown. Maybe the market makers will set a trap around that level and push it back up. Either way, to be bullish and more upside, 609 must hold as support, because if it fails, then we may have ourselves a false breakout setup that can push SPY to the downside. Okay, let's talk about the bull case scenario first. As long as above 609, we are in uncharted territory. But I do have some fib extension levels starting from December 6th high at 609-ish, and I set the next Fibonacci point all the way down at January 13th low, which is around 575.35, and that gave us some projected targets to the upside. And above 609, I have nothing until 607. Now, I do like to trade a lot of time $1.50 to $2 increments, level to level style. Usually my level to level moves are $1.50 to $2 range, $1.20 if I was the low ball myself, $1.20 to $2 range. So if the next Fibonacci level I have is at 617, then I'm gonna go with $2 increments. So above 609, I got 611, 613, 615, and then the critical level at 617. Those levels are only possible to hit if SPY can stay above 609. Now, if you're bearish, or maybe you're looking for shorting opportunities, you guys have to wait for the right case scenario. An overbought situation is not enough to go short. Okay, we've been overbought on the SPY since the 21st, since Tuesday. And what happened? SPY just continued to go up. Okay, so don't let the RSI screw you guys over. You have to follow the price action. If we break down 609 and 607.5, then we can go back down and test 606 and 604-ish. We break those levels down, maybe we can get a back test of my triangle pattern around 602. So a loss of 609, it would be reasonable we go and back test this triangle pattern and fill the gap around 602-ish. All right. And if we bounce there, that would be overall bullish, keeping the breakaway gap or the breakout intact. I would get more bearish if we get back below 602, break down 600 to put 598, 596 or lower back in play. Bottom line is this: above 609, we can head to new all-time highs. Okay, below 609, we can get a possible retracement back down. We've got to play it level to level because we don't know how far it's going to go down. I'd rather we play it safe. So if we do break down 609 or 607.5, I would look to take most profits around 606 and then leave a runner to see if the market wants to drop down further. Once we hit that 602 level, I'd probably scale out some more because that is a very important level. If 602 is lost, that's going to be a massive false breakout of this triangle pattern structure, and that would be very, very bearish. So I believe that bears would take back control of momentum, price action momentum, if they can get SPY below 609 and 602. Those two pivot levels are a must watch for today. Otherwise, I am still overall bullish on the SPY above 609 with 602 lowest. Now, a move from 609 to 602 would be a good move. So even though I'm bullish, and if there's a shorting opportunity, I'm still going to take it. I don't care. I don't trade based on my feelings, guys. Yes, my feelings is bullish, but the price action said, hey, this is a good time to short. Then guess what? I'm going to listen to the price action before I listen to my own feelings. Does that make sense, guys? All right, are we clear on the plan for the SPY today? Above 609, keep 611, 613, 615, 617 in play. Below 609, we'll make yesterday's breakout. We'll put it in question. And if it's in question, it might not be good for the bulls. All right, below 609, 607.5, 606, 604, and 602 are all in play. Below 602, bears will take back control, and my general lean will switch back to bearish. All right, guys, I am still not 100%. Today's the last day of the week to trade, so I'll have the whole weekend to rest, and then hopefully next week I'll be 100%, and I'm gonna go back to covering all the usual ticker symbols that I love to cover. All right, guys. Also, if you are interested in joining my Discord, please check the pinned comments below. Use the coupon code 50% off your first month only. If you use it for the yearly membership, it works on that. You'll save more money. I had a couple of people that may be interested in the lifetime membership. It's also, the link is in the description in the pinned comment as well. If you guys join using those links, please use the 50% discount code. It's in the pinned comment. Put them in, get your discount, and let's trade the shit out of this market together. I'm going to tell you what I told my other lifetime members. We're going to do this till the nursing home. You stuck with me until the nursing home. Bye.